Indrajit C. Jala. I am a first year BTech student in Computer Science Engineering at Parul University, Vadodara. I have chosen a theme that is digital fields and greener yields. When I walk through the farms after harvest, I don't see the crops. I see wasted resources, lost income of farmers, and smoke. Our project is guided by the 3 points. That is, improve farmers' income, to reduce waste, and to protect our soil and climate. But today, agriculture is caught in damaging cycle. After the harvest of sugarcane and wheat, the residue are left behind the fields. They have no values. So the farmer have the only option to burn it. Sky turns grey. The soil loses its nutrients and farmers earn nothing from this waste. This is the disconnect. Biomass is wasted on one side, industrial fuel demand are rising. So we are creating an opportunity and solution that will solve for the both farmers, industrial. Now we are building a small modular unit that is near farmer cluster. Now farmer don't have to burn their crops. Now they have to bring it and we will compact it and made into briquettes and clean. And this is called white coal. White coal is a type of briquette or shape in the briquette that is easy to transport, easy to store, and it is very cost effective than coal. These units are simple and smart. They are low cost, portable and solar assisted. They are also fitted with IoT sensors that measure dryness, so the drying process is effective. For industries, it is win too because they get cheaper than coal. It is also win for farmers, so waste is no longer waste. They generate income from this waste. Every ton of briquette that replaces coal, that cuts down CO2 emission and gives measurable saving of carbon emission. So farmer can earn through carbon market. In one stroke, we are reducing wastage, boosting income and also fighting through climate changes. So how can we implement this? In 3 months, we can establish 2 micro units that cover 50 farmers, and with this, we can produce baseline data with university partners. So in phase 2, we will process 200 tons of residue into 120 tons of briquettes, and in steady we will also partnership with local industries to match the demand and supply of these briquettes. In the phase 3, it will take about 2 years. We will scale up to 10 clusters. So in this, we will integrate Japanese low energy, high efficiency drying technology and also certified global standard carbon credits to increase farmers' income, and also we will create dashboard so the farmer can see income earned and CO2 saved. The impact of this model is now multi-layered. The farmer once was burden, now it is new income stream. Annual income of farmer will increase up to 15 to 20%. For the environment, we eliminate stubborn burning that cuts thousands of tons of carbon emission and also preserving soil fertility for next crop cycle. We also benefit villages by operating mini plants for operation and maintenance that create jobs. This initiative directly supports global climate goals, that is SDG 7 with clean energy and SDG 13 with climate action. So waste into wealth, pollution into opportunity, and local challenges into global solution. Japan inspires in many ways. The modern city with world-class infrastructure, and on the same city there are monuments that are very peaceful, ancient and greenery everywhere are the most attracting things in the Japan. And how can we forget about advanced technology like bullet trains and public transport? They are very efficient. This makes Japan very truly amazing, and this inspires the most. For me, engineering is not about to solve the problem, but it is about the change that lasts. Because true innovation is not local, it is universal. Waste into wealth, challenges into hope, and Japan and India walk Tomai and shared Mirai. Arigato gozaimasu. Thank you.